multiplication of fraction and mixed fraction? Okay. For example, I have here, anong fraction to? So we have, ano to? Ano to? Ito, to. Wait, hindi nyo nakikita. Laser. Ito. Anong fraction to? Kung babasahin natin. 1/2. Very good, Marian. So, how many 1/2 do we have? Alex? 3. Very good. So, let's apply. So, we have now 3. Tatlo. Tapos, imo-multiply natin sa 1/2. Ma'am, saan po galing yung 3? Let's count it. This is 1. This is the second 1/2. And then the third one. Okay. Ma'am, paano po iyan? Paano gagawin natin? Let's have this one. So, 3. That is a whole number. Always remember that the denominator of a whole number is always 1. Okay? We need to multiply by 1. Next. Multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator. So, 3 times 1 is 3. And then, 1 times 2 is 2. 3 over 2. And then, apply ulit yung tinuro ni teacher kung paano gagawing yung improper fraction gagawing mixed fraction. We're going to simplify. So, 3 divided by 2. Now, so 3, ulitin ko, in multiplication, you need to multiply numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. So, 3 times 1 is 3. And then, 1 times 2 is 2. And then, since this is an improper fraction, so you need to make it a mixed number. How? So, 3 divided by 2, you're going to use long method in division. So, 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And then, you need to subtract.
1 point.
Okay? And then, ulitin ko, paulit-ulit si teacher, yung quotient part nyo, that will serve as your whole number, and then your remainder part that will serve as your numerator, and then your divisor will be your denominator, and that's your answer. Okay, let's have more practice. Now, you need to simplify first. Ma'am, bakit kailangan pa natin gawin yan? Kasi pag nag-multiply tayo ng mixed fraction, sa mixed fraction o sa fraction, you need first to make it the mixed number into improper fraction. How? So, you need to multiply this and then you're going to add this one. Yan. So, 8 times 9, that is
72 po pala, ma'am.
72.
wait lang. So, here, you're going to multiply 8 times 9, that is 72, and then add. 72 plus 1 is 73. Improper fraction. Okay? Next. How about this one? You need to multiply this and then add. Huwag malilito ha. Pag mixed number to improper fraction, the method is multiply and then add. Pag kukunin naman natin yung pag nag-add or subtract tayo ng dissimilar fraction and to make it similar fraction, divide and then times. Okay? So here, we're dealing with mixed number to improper fraction. So times 6 times 3 is 18 plus 5, that is What's your answer? 23 over 6. Yan. Another one. Now, we have here 11 over 2. Ulitin ko, paulit-ulit si teacher. Divide nyo yan using long method. So, 11 divided by 2. So, ito ay how many? 5. 5 times 2 is 10. You need to subtract that. And then we have the answer of 1. So, our final answer is 5
5.1 half
and
2.
a half. 1 half. Okay. Paulit-ulit ako ha. Paulit-ulit. Yeah. Another example. 22. That is an improper fraction divided by 6. How many 6 are there in 22? We have, I think, 3. And then 18. Divide minus. That is 4. So we have the final answer of 3 and 4 over 6. Oops, wait. We need first to simplify. So divide natin both sides by 2. So magiging 2 tsaka 3. Then copy the whole number. This is our final answer. Okay. Let's have this example.
Kaganina po.
Okay. So we need to multiply this fraction. So 7 over 9 times 5 over 8. So we have, ito lang, multiply nyo itong dalawa, yung numerator sa numerator and then denominator sa denominator. Actually, ito yung pinakamadali instead of addition and subtraction. So 7 times 5 is, what's your answer? 35.
Ma'am, 35.
35.
35.
35.
And then 9 times 8 is
70.
so 72. Okay. So, meron pa ba itong lowest term? Yes or no? Meron ba tayong i-divide kay 35 tsaka kay 72? Meron pa ba?
No.
Okay, the answer is no. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Yan na yun. 35 over 72. Next, let's have another example. Ang denominator lagi ni whole number, tatandaan nyo, ay 1. Okay? Especially when we are dealing with fraction. Pag may nagtanong sa inyo, ano ang denominator ng whole number, it's always 1. So, eto si 4. So, ang denominator niya, 1. So, sulat natin ng maayos. Pagpantayin natin. Yan. 5 over 6. And then, yan. Multiply natin ito. Si numerator. And then, we're going to multiply denominator. 4 times 5. Answer is 20. Very good. Thank you, Justin. And then, 1 times 6 simply is 6. What kind of fraction is this? When the numerator is higher than the denominator, we call that. Okay. Thank you, Athena. That is an improper fraction. So, pag improper fraction, we need to make it a mixed number. So, we're going to use long method of division. So, 20 divided by 6. Okay? So, 20 divided by 6, there's 3. 3 times 6 is 18. And then, you're going to subtract that. We have 2. And then, ulitin ko ulit. Etong sagot sa quotient, that will become your whole number. And then, mute your microphone. And then, your remainder part, that will become your numerator. And then, your divisor will be your denominator. Now, is that our final answer? Is that our final? No, very good, Nathan. We need first to simplify. Kasi divisible pa si 2 tsaka si 6. So, divide both sides by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then copy the whole number. Okay, final answer. Okay, thank you, Nathan. Good job. Very good. We have the answer of 3 and 1/3. Next. Same procedure. Don't worry, kahit pahaba siya ng pahaba. Ganito ang gagawin natin. Just write it. 6 up. Something. Okay. Kopyahin lang. I will ask you, what is now the denominator of 5? Very good. The answer is 1. Tatandaan lang ng bata, pag multiplication, numerator, multiply mo yan lahat, and then the denominator, multiply mo yan lahat. Okay? So, style ng teacher yan. So, multiply all the numerators. 6 times 1 is 6 times 5 is 6 times 1 is 6 times 5 is 30. Okay? And then, 7 times 7 is times 1 is 49. Okay. So, meron pa ba yung lowest term? Yes or no? No. Okay. So, this will be our final answer. Okay. Okay, next. Let's proceed. Meron pa ba tayo? Okay. Another example. How about this one? 4/5 of 2/3 is, that is the application of multiplication. Now, the same procedure pa din. Pag nakakita kayo ng ganyan, 4/5 over 5 times 2/3. Okay, just multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay. Correctly, 8 over 15. 8 over 15. Okay. Question so far?